Do you hear the sounds? You see the little bird?
I want to see the deer again.
You have to come back and time them.
They're fast.
Yeah. Did you see how fast they went back?
Looking this way. They're like right there. And they
Oh, there they are. There, man.
I see them.
There. You see them?
Yeah, I saw them. Oh, they're going up to.
Oh, they're going up the hill. You see them?
Yeah. They look like bunnies. What was that show called with the bunnies?
Which show is it?
Are they going right, left?
Right. This way.
No, that show that looked like. What was that show with the bunnies?
Which show?
The 3 bunnies, and then they take the carrots from
You see the ladies, we met them again.
the 3 bunnies, and they take the carrots from the lawn. From the neighbor, I said the 3 bunnies got taken, and then they take the carrots from the garden.
Yeah.
Just chill.
Hi, how are you? They took what?
They take
There's the
carrots
forest.
from the garden.
Carrots from the garden?
Yeah.
What is that? Is it a story you read?
Yeah. Maybe that's the story, and they made it as a movie.
Maybe somebody can tell us. Tell them. Somebody here can tell us. It's what?
The 3 bunnies. And then they steal carrots from the lawn.
Oh.
The Mrs. Gregory. Yeah, they steal carrots from Mrs. Gregory's lawn.
Oh, okay. 3 bunnies.
Yes.
Did you watch that in a movie?
Yeah, it's a movie and a book and a short film.
A short film? Is it a true story?
I don't know. No, it's not. It wouldn't be. Because how would the bunnies not? I hear something.
Birds.
Oh, bird.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. It's a little baby bird.
Yeah, birds.
Surprise! Surprise!
And you know you could even see snakes here.
Oh, then I'm gonna go.
No, you could. What do you expect? What do you expect to find in a forest when you go to a forest?
Snakes, but it's scary.
No, but what is there? What's in the forest?
Snakes.
Who lives there?
Snakes.
Yeah, and birds, animals, different kinds. So if you see a snake, you know when you see a snake, it's gonna run and you run. A snake only bites you if you try to touch it. Here is a bird. You can hear the sound. So even the snake makes a sound. You have to listen carefully.
We have to run.
Okay, here is a beautiful couple walking together.
This is leading to a house.
No,
No, it's leading to a house.
it looks like it's a trail.
No, it's leading to, you know that?
Somebody's house?
No, remember
No, I don't think so. Hello.
that house that we saw at the beginning.
Oh, like at the park.
Yeah.
Go up. See how many trees have fallen? All these strong trees fall. That's what nature teaches you, that sometimes, no matter how strong you are, when the wind is strong, you fall. Okay? And for you to create a path, people come here and they cut the trees and create a path for people to pass. What does this sign say?
No horses, no bikes.
Okay, I'm trying to find out what these signs mean. These are leaves. These you can do a dog.
No, it's saying you can use telescopes.
Which one?
You can use goggles.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Oh, you smart. Okay. So now, we are climbing up the hill.
My left leg hurts.
Huh?
My left leg. My toe. This is my toe that hurts.
Why is your left leg hurting? From just this little walk
Yeah.
up in the mountain?
My right leg hurts.
Let me tell you, your leg shouldn't be hurting for this just simple walk. You know, wait till you go to Kisii. You know where I come from?
Yeah.
You have to climb the mountains, like hills and hills to get to my home. Even a car can't get there. You know where my house is? Where grandma raised me?
Yeah.
in Kisii.
Are you up in the mountains?
Up in the mountains. Okay? We have to walk every day, you know? When you do food shopping, you walk up in the mountain.
Do you like slide down the mountain sometimes?
You can't slide down because what are you sliding with? You can only slide with ice. Look at the shape of that tree, Ryan.
What happened to the tree?
The tree grew like that, just like all the other trees. But they come in here. You see they cut them?
Look, this tree, that tree, and this tree look like a good home for a snake.
Good home?
Yeah, because it's like that.
Oh, it's like the snake can wrap around it. Trees, like people, look different. You see each tree is shaped different?
Come on, we're definitely in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, but how is the air? How do you like the air like here? The environment? Huh?
It's good.
It feels good, right?
Wait,
The fresh air?
so everybody in the world lives in the middle of nowhere.
Of course. Don't you think that's better?
No, I'm saying like even the cities, they live in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, do you know what an island is?
I know what a nylock is.
Island?
Yeah, nylock's a monster.
Oh, no, not that. I mean an island, like where you're surrounded by water. You sit in the middle. Auntie's asking, did you quit school? Tell her on Wednesdays you don't have school.
I don't have school on Wednesday.
On Wednesday is a free day for them, but they give you homework.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You know Auntie Becky, my friend from Texas?
Yeah.
You know how many miles she walks a day?
How much?
5. 5. Do you know how many miles we've walked? Half a mile. We just walked half a mile. So we have like 6 to go. Can you do this for like 2 hours? Huh? How many hours can you do?
An hour.
An hour is good? But eventually we're going to get to 5 hours. You know why? It's healthy to have these nature walks. You see other people are walking? Right? Imagine, you know what Auntie says?
What?
She does 5 miles minimum. Do you know how big a mile is?
How much?
It is like we just did 1 mile. So what we just did times 5. Can you do that?
I'm saying, how long is 1 mile? How long?
How long does it take you?
Yeah,
You know, today we were walking, so it's taken us like 50. It's taken us 20 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, it's taken us 20 minutes.
But does she run?
I don't know. Auntie, do you run? How long does it take you to cover 5 miles? 5 miles is a lot. I can only do 2.
Where are we now?
We came out of looks like their houses.
Now we're in
You have to follow the trail. So now we've walked for half a mile. You understand? So she does 5. And I think she walks fast.
Oh, these
People live here.
look like Spring Meadows.
Is it?
No, this looks like where Jet used to live, that house right here. It looks like
Ah, my goodness. Auntie, that can't be true. I don't believe those numbers. No way.
What did she do?
She says it takes an hour to do 5 miles. I don't believe that at all. That's fast. Really? Maybe an hour and a half? Look at that. Do you see that?
What?
Look how that looks. We are going to go under. Stand there, Lola, I can take your picture. Because then you'll have these pictures for your memories. Move further. Move further. Okay, turn. Yeah. But even if a bird poops on your head, it's just fine. That's a blessing.
I want a $25 gift card.
No. $25 gift card will not help you. But if a bird poops on your head, that means you're going to be blessed. Do you believe that? Most people will do in 40 minutes or so. Wow, that's fast though. Anyway, you're jogging. So me and Ryan here are taking leisure walks. You know what leisure walks are?
What?
Like you just relaxed, we're talking. You know? You know what that means? Huh?
Is that ice?
That's snow. Leisure walks, you're not doing anything serious. You know, you just walk around. Or if it's your wife, you talk to your wife. If it's your husband, you talk to your husband. If it's your child, you talk to your child.
Like it?
Look at this. Can you go under there? This is so nice.
No, I'm not going over there.
Huh?
I'm not going.
You know, we used to climb these trees when we were little. This is beautiful. If we find a snake here, we will deal with it.
You're dealing with it.
Yeah, I'm from the village. That's what we do. We
You know
know.
how to fight it?
Of course, I'll kill a snake in a minute. I've killed many snakes.
What about like a big snake?
There is no snake I can't kill.
Like a python?
I have killed big snakes, let me tell you. The village where I come from, I used to be the champion. If I see a snake, everybody runs. I tackle. You know I'm brave. Don't you know I'm brave?
Let the cat right now!
Huh?
No.
Ryan is very tired, yes. We only did like half a mile. Ryan, where I come from, oh, I can't wait to take you to the village. We grow tea. Inside the tea, there's a lot of snakes. A lot. The green snakes. So you'll be picking tea and then you see a snake. What do? Grab a tree like this one and kill it. You hit the head straight up.
Have you ever fought like a pack?
Huh?
A pack of...
Snakes?
Yeah.
No, we find like one or two. But I used to be brave. Like, I didn't want them to bite me, so I have to kill them. You know I'm not afraid, right?
Yes, you are.
Huh?
Yes, you are.
I can kill a snake like in a heartbeat. It won't take me long. You see?
Well, you can take...
Look at this. Come here and look. Just come and see. Go under the tree. Come.
What?
Come, that's how you bend. Come on. You see this? This, it's called peace. You know what it means to be peaceful?
Yeah.
It's quiet, right? Nothing is happening in these trees. Okay? That's why people come here to take walks, because there's no noise, there's no TV. You have to disconnect. Do you feel the breeze? Feel the breeze? Oh, you see the babies? Do you see what happens? So when you follow a trail, do you remember where we entered?
Yeah. We went that way. All
Yeah.
the way. You're not fast.
No, we need to increase our speed so we can beat Auntie. Auntie,
I'm really fast.
oh, then they have their dog. Next time we have to bring her dog.
Do we run right now?
Yeah, run.
To the car?
Yeah, run. And you know you're a soccer player, so you need... So these children, those ones who are parents, yeah? Let me tell you about these kids. This child, this is my last child. I had Ryan when I was 39 years old. The last children, they either get so much attention or they get none. This child, the age difference between him and my third child is like 7 years. So he's like an only child, which is bad. So I have to make time to bring him out to do the nature walks, and COVID has really made it difficult. So it is something that I've been wanting to do, but the weather was so bad. But I have to be intentional. It's in one of my goals because I'm old now. Come and see the other kids, but you're not getting in the park.
I'm not going right
I'm getting old now and I don't want my child
I'm not playing
to
with
miss
those kids.
his childhood. No, you are not. We just want to see the other kids. Just sit and look. You can sit and look sometimes. You don't have to play all the time. Sometimes be the observer, right? There's a lot of kids here. Yeah. A lot of kids. That's the park. People are here. The park is full. People are here. Actually, the park, this is the parking lot. There's a lot of cars here. So, Can you climb that rock at least?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll climb that rock and then we're gonna leave.
Yeah. I don't know if I can climb it.
You can try it.
I'll try, but go fast.
Here, hold this.
Great. Very good. There you go. You're almost there. Hold on tight and push yourself. There you go. Nice. How was that? You got it? Okay. Okay, come on. Jump this way. Jump down. Good. There, jump down. Jump. Okay, it's going to be my turn.
They're falling. They're gonna fall.
No, here. Don't wish me to fall.
I hope you do.
Hi.
As you see, she's not good at it. She's gonna climb it.
I got it. There you go. I told you I was going to do it. Okay? So go over there so I can jump.
You're not gonna make it.
You're going to count to 3?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Oops!
You're not good at
Oh
that.
my goodness. The grandma almost broke. The grandma almost broke. Okay? Here, go.
One more time and then we'll leave it.
Okay. You have to hold on tight. Be strategic. You have to pull yourself. Yeah, Ryan said he doesn't want to poop on his auntie. Go ahead. Try again. Very good. Hold on tight. You have to use all your muscles to push yourself. Try again. You don't need to jump. Get close. There. Very good. So push. Hold tight. You can't fall. Find a grip. Try harder. Find a grip. There you go. And Ryan's favorite auntie, he wears this thing every day. Keep pushing. No, go. Hold tight. Hold tight and pull yourself. Hold tight. Don't fall. Hold on tight. Find a grip. You have to hold on tight. You have to hold on tight. You find a place to hold, to grip, like with a grip. Go ahead. Try again. Good. Now you got it. You just need to find a place to put your foot so you can push up. There you go. Bring the other one. Bring the other foot up. Pull the other foot. Yeah, the left. Put it there. Where you by your knee. Bring your other foot. Bring your other foot. There. Pull. Pull up. Pull yourself. There you go. Pull. Hold on tight. You got it. There you go. You got a grip now. There you go. Very nice. Congratulations. You got it. How was that? You got it. You got it. Okay, jump. Jump. Where are you jumping to? Jump this way. Huh? You tried though.
Okay, I got you. He's right there. Oh, are you okay? Get out of here. Oh, no. Come here, Jalen.
All right. Good job. You did it. You did it. Here. Let me try one more time.
No, we're leaving.
Come. I'm the last one to try. Come. Here.
No, we're
It's
leaving.
my turn. Second time. Here. Let me show you.
Lila, why don't you come get a drink for a minute? Yeah, it's West. Over here, get a quick drink.
How?
Right. Okay, come this way. Come this way. Come this way. I'm gonna jump now. Oh my goodness. That was a tough one. One, 2, 3.
Did you go already?
Yes, I'm okay. Oh gosh.
No place to get hurt. You have to get back home.
I need to get back home. Okay. Come on. Oh my goodness. We have to call that a day. Yeah? Yeah. We have to call that a day, guys. Huh?
You're not good at that.
At what? At jumping?
What you just did,
Yeah?
you're not.
At climbing?
Yes.
What am I good at?
And you're not good at jumping off things. You're only good at climbing.
But how do I get down?
Just jump off things. You're not good at it.
Okay, guys, we'll see you guys.